One of the big misconceptions of it when it comes to poly tanks is that all the poly tanks are the same. That couldn't be further from the truth, right? Polymaster's really evolved over the last 30 years when it started originally trying to make the best possible liquid storage tanks that we could. 15 years ago, moving into engineered solutions, creating solutions for sort of complex situations. Everything we do begins and ends with the customer in mind. And so what our customers are looking for is something that's going to last the test of time. We back that as well. So we then provide class-leading warranties, and a big part of that is the manufacturing.
We've got a unique advantage over all of our competitors in that we are able to control all the formulations of powder to suit the specific needs. And we have a very close relationship with Proform because they're part of our family of businesses. So we have lots of technical engagement with them, and we're constantly looking at how we can produce best powder to make best products for purpose. Not only do we control the powder, but we control the molds. So we design and manufacture the molds in-house, so they suit the process and suit exactly what the customer's after. At the same time, if there's any changes that we might want to do because the voice of the customer has told us we need to tweak it slightly, we're able to do that very, very quickly, and we are in control of that process. Before we move product on to the next step, there's checks in place. We 100% check for thickness, 20 different points around the tank, so we can make sure that the tank in its profile is exactly as it was designed, and we do drop tests. So we do the test at -40, unless it's passed the check and it's 100% A quality, it never advances. Each of these tanks have their own individual number, so we can check if there's any faults during the process. We can go back to the serial number, we can check the batch of the powder, we can check the conditions of the machine, temperature, time. In fact, we go back and check with the operator. So we're able to quarantine, and we can make sure that, again, nothing leaves the premises unless it's 100% A quality. You can be guaranteed when you buy a Polymaster product, it's equal to or better than any equivalent competitor's product. You'd buy a Polymaster tank because you can be guaranteed we're using the best materials to suit the application. We manufacture and design all of our own molds, so we're able to tailor a solution for our customers. All of our processes in control, and we never move any manufactured product to the next step unless it's 100% perfect.